back to another video. Today I am going to show you my car collection. I have some remote control cars and some normal cars and one launcher. Today I was thinking that I can show that how many cars can cross these hurdles and how many cars can broke that blocks. Let's see. This is a black car.
Avigna, why don't you keep these remote control cars on a side before we start this crossing
these are
race?
Special cars. We will show you this till last. Okay. Let's go. Oh, it broke 2 glasses and 2 blocks. Let's see another one. It broke.
It has huge power, huh?
2 glasses and 2 blocks.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow car.
Oh
It
my
also
god.
broke 2 glasses and 2 blocks. Let's see. This can also break too.
Oh,
it missed.
It missed.
Let's see.
You
this.
have 3 glasses, 4 glasses, and
It also missed. Let's see this one. Can it break it?
oh yeah, at least it broke 1. You have 3 glasses and 1 car. Do you think you're gonna be able to do it?
Yeah.
Still 2 left.
But I
Why
have
don't
one
you?
car.
You have 1 more car. Okay, nice, nice. Oh, it missed. It missed. That's okay.
Let's now make some hurdles and pass these remote control cars.
Wow, I'm so excited for that. Okay, what will you use to make the hurdles, Avigna?
Glasses.
Glasses. Okay, nice. You know, friends, Avigna is very particular about his things. So he keeps all his things at right places after he's done working. I hope you'll also do the same when you attempt any of these tasks at home so that your mom and dad are happy and proud of you.
Let's check.
Oh, is your track or hurdle ready?
Yes.
Okay. Which car are you gonna use?
This.
You are gonna try this green car? Okay. Let's try it out. Okay. I hope it's charged. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh,
Oh,
it's a dancing car.
oh. Avigna, ये क्या हुआ ऐसे?
It's a dancing car. Its battery is low. So
Oh.
how it will power it? Let's try another one.
Okay, let's keep it on the side. How will it cross it? Okay. Let's try to do it with another car. I hope this one works well. Oh yeah, it is. Come on, Avigna. Come on, you can do it. Uh-oh. Oh, nice control, nice control. Be careful, it should not touch the glass. Oh, wow. You have got it. Oh. Nice, this car is about to pass the challenge. Yoo-hoo!
It passed.
Oh.
Let's see. It can pass this all glasses. passes also. Passed.
Avigna.
Passed. Let's call the car back.
Okay.
Return.
Where is your car? Is it returning? Yes, it is. Trying to kind of. Oh, it touched the glass. Let's see how fast you can call it back. Call it back. It can break. Ooh, yay!
Now it's done and it has passed all the hurdles also. Please like and subscribe and do not forget for switching on the bell icon. Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.